Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. We hope you all are doing well and waiting for our new video, so your wait is over as we are here again with an amazing video. Today, we will tell you something new that we have not talked about earlier. This video is about credit cards. In this video, we have talked about the 7 best credit cards for 2022. If you're going to buy a credit card this year, this video is for you. However, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. This way, we will notify you of every single video we post. So, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. A high-limit credit card can increase your purchasing power, improve your credit, and help bring financial peace of mind. And if you are searching for the best credit cards of 2022, then your search is getting over in this video, as we have enlisted some best credit cards of 2022 for you all. Chase Sapphire Reserve. It is considered one of the top best credit cards of 2022. The minimum credit limit for this credit card is $10,000, which is best for premium travel. New cardholders can earn 60,000 bonus points after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months after their account opens, and the cardholders also get a $300 annual travel credit. The annual fee of this credit card is $550, but you can compensate for this fee with numerous options that are also available if you are a cardholder. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. This card is best for entry-level travel, and the minimum credit limit for Chase Sapphire's preferred card is $5,000. But the maximum limit can exceed even $100,000, but this limit is not achievable for everyone. New cardholders can earn 60,000 bonus points when they spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months after their account opens. The annual fee for this card is $95. Citi Double Cash Card. This card is mainly preferred by people who want simple cash back, and the minimum credit limit for this card is only $500. The credit limit of this card is low, but the good thing is that this card will give you 2% cash back on all your purchases, the 1% when you use the card, and the 2% when you will pay for your purchases. Chase Freedom Unlimited. This card is best for people who want bonus cash back, and the minimum credit limit for Chase Freedom Unlimited is also $500. This card is giving you opportunities to get some money back. It will give you 3% cash back when you dine in a restaurant and 1.5% cash back on all other purchases. The plus point of this credit card is that the annual fee of this credit card is $0. Pedal 2 Visa Credit Card. This card is one of the best credit cards for building credit. The minimum credit limit for this credit card is $300, and the maximum is $10,000. This card will give you 1% cash back on all eligible purchases. U.S. Bank Secured Visa Card. This credit card is used by people who want to rebuild credit, and the minimum credit limit for this credit card is $300. The maximum credit limit for a U.S. Bank Secured Visa card is $5,000. This card does not provide you with many extra options of cash back, but it does not charge any annual fee. Discover It Student Cash Back. It is a credit card specially made for students, so if you are a student, you can also get this credit card, and the minimum credit limit for this credit card is $500. You can earn 1% cash back on your purchases, and this card does not charge any annual fee. So, this was the list of the top 7 best credit cards of 2022, and we have covered all the available information about these cards. We hope you all liked the video, and if you do not subscribe to the channel yet, then do it right now. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Watch our previous videos as we discuss different things in every video. Still, all the videos are very informative, and our videos are leading on the internet, so you all are advised to follow us for authentic information about different platforms. Also, leave a comment below in the comment section and let us know how you like the video and what type of credit card you are going to buy after watching this video. Also, let us know what kind of videos you want to watch, as we are here for you all. We will come soon with the next video. Until then, stay tuned.